In the land of Babylon, three young men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, refused to bow to a golden idol. Furious, King Nebuchadnezzar ordered them thrown into a blazing furnace, 7 times hotter than normal. But as the flames roared, something miraculous happened. The king jumped in shock. "Didn't we throw 3 men in? Look, I see 4, and the fourth looks like a son of God." God protected them. Not a hair was burned, not even the smell of smoke on their clothes. The fire had no power over them. And the king declared, "Blessed be the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego." God is always with us in the fire.